Let's talk foot muffs. If you've got a SleepCarrier, this one's made to fit it like a glove. Let's set it up. Start by putting the foot muff straight into the SleepCarrier. Fold over and you're set. Open it all the way so it's ready for your baby. Trust me, you want it ready before you pick them up. Pop your baby in and zip it up. There we go, all tucked in. You can adjust depending on the weather. Open it up or snap it closed when it's cold. And that's it, you're ready to go. With or without your stroller, both works.